Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get started. Last week we talked about the Look and Feel tab and how you can use it to customize your survey's appearance. We also examined each option in the general section and walked through their capabilities. This week we're focusing on understanding how to use themes and layouts to personalize your survey. Let's begin by going into the Look and Feel tab by clicking on the paint roller icon, and then go ahead and click on the Themes section. Please notice that the top of the section is labeled Dynamic Themes, and underneath you'll find a drop-down that allows you to choose between preset themes or your custom library themes. Regardless of which library you choose, if you scroll down, you may or may not see a section labeled Static Themes. This depends on whether your organization requested to have these themes made in the past. The two different types of themes include static and dynamic. Dynamic themes are newer and customizable themes that allow users to personalize their surveys through the different sections of the Look and Feel tab. Static themes, on the other hand, are older themes that gray out sections like layout, logo, and background and limit your editing options. Please take a moment to look at the different themes available to you and choose your favorite. Personally, I will choose this preset theme since I like the white font and darker background contrast. Once we've chosen our theme, we can then jump over to the Layout tab and test out the different layouts with our new theme. These layouts offer different question padding, styling, and progress bar appearance. You might notice a recommended tag on the simple layout option. This layout is recommended because it was designed to make your survey more mobile-friendly, easy to use, and accessible to your respondents. The simple layout is still being developed and updated, so it currently does not support all survey features. If you'd like to learn more about the pros and cons of using the simple layout, please take a look at the support page links in the description. If we like our current layout and theme, but want to change the background photo, we can do so by going into the background section and selecting image or color as the background. In this case, I just want a dark background, so I'll choose color and leave it as is. We also have the option of slightly changing the font color with the foreground contrast dropdown, and deciding whether we want question containers or not. Lastly, if we'd like to add a logo to our survey, we can do so by going into the logo section and selecting a logo image. We can adjust the style, placement, and max height with these dropdowns, and adjust the mobile scaling percentage here. And that's it. Thank you for learning how to use themes and layouts with me today. Please remember to subscribe to the 2-Minute Tip category on the XM community so you never miss a video, and I hope to see you around the XM community.